Aaftab Amin Poonawala, who allegedly killed his live-in girlfriend, cut up her body and dumped the parts across Delhi, brought another woman to his apartment days after the murder, with the body parts still in a fridge. The police started investigation whether he brought more women home while he had Shraddha's body parts in the apartment and whether any of them were a trigger for the murder. The police also took the details from the dating app, Bumble, for details of Aftab. The 28-year-old Aaftab Amin Poonawala after his arrest said that he had no remorse over the act he had committed. He has said that now that the truth is out, I can live in peace, and is perhaps much relaxed. Aaftab Poonawala, a food blogger and a professional chef, killed his longtime girlfriend and live-in partner Shraddha Vikas Walkar in May 2022 at a rented apartment in South Delhi's Mehrauli area. Police sources said that the training at a top-notch five-star hotel as a chef made the accused an expert in anatomy and the use of industrial-scale chopper knives. Aaftab also initially presented himself as a professional and had no sign of guilt or fear when he was called for questioning by the Delhi police. After killing Shraddha, Poonawala dismembered her body into 35 pieces and threw it into the jungles of Mehrauli through the next 18 days. As per police, there started hot arguments in between Aaftab Amin and Walkar over some issue. He lost his temper and he strangulated Shraddha. He disposed of her body in such a way that even that couldn't get in the eyes of the Dehli police. He killed her in between 7 to 8 p.m. of the 18th of May 2022. On the 19th of May his ordered fridge was delivered at his residence at 10:30 p.m. He put cut pieces of the deceased and put them in trash bags, then put same in the fridge. Then he purchased a suitcase and decided to drop body parts in jungle or river in Uttarakhand. But due to heavy weight of body parts of Shraddha and police checkposts, he rejected his idea. Then he decided to dispose of body parts in small parts one by one in Mehrauli jungle. Aftab had tried to hide the murder of Shraddha by removing any physical evidence, however, he had left the digital evidence that the police traced to reach the truth of the case. Initially Aftab denied his crime before Dehli police. But then police checked his mobile and his location through his mobile. A burst reveal sparkled when police checked his bank statement which showed through an app Rs 0.54000 were transferred from Shraddha account on the 26th of May to his account. This fact brushed aside lie of Aftab when he said to police that Shraddha was not in contact with him after May 22. Further online transfer was executed in Mehrauli police station area. It further roped around Aftab when he chatted with Shraddha's friend through her Instagram account. Location of chat was also Mehrauli area of Delhi. When family of Shraddha could not contact her due to her mobile switch off, then they filed a complaint of her missing in Manikpur police station, Maharashtra. Manikpur police summoned Aftab. The main cause behind the murder was suspect by Shraddha that Aftab was in relation with some other woman. After murder, Aftab used Shraddha Instagram account for the impression as if Shraddha was alive.